student, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Guruvendra Suresh. I am from Vizag district of Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in BSc MPs from Andhra University. At present, I am pursuing MS from Andhra University. I belong to mathematics family. I can confidently say that self-motivation, hardworking and discipline as my stance. I used to clear my friends' door during my graduation and to have a finance lab during my graduation to teach students. At that time, I could observe that students of Andhra Pradesh are studying in the way of academic exams, but not in the way of competitive exams like CSI NET, IIT exams, JEE Main, JEE Advanced, etc. They even don't know what these exams mean. Maybe this is because of we have education system we have in our state. Here, students focus on all academic subjects. But in other states, it is not the case. They prefer only one subject, which is reasoning subject like chemistry, physics, and maths, etc. Generally, they start preparation early. That's why I decided to start teaching of the students of Andhra Pradesh who really have potential to crack this exam but not aware of this. Today our topic is functions. Before going to discuss about the functions, we have to know some more definitions like set. Set is nothing but a collection of well-defined objects. Like example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And subset is a set of some or all elements of a given set. Is called as a subset. B is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now observe that B is a subset of A. Ordered by, suppose if we take two sets, A and B are two sets. If A belongs to small a belongs to A and small b belongs to B, then A comma B is called as ordered pair. Cartesian product. Collection of all ordered pairs is called as the Cartesian product. It is denoted by A cross B. For example, if you take A equal to, set A equal to 1 comma 2, set B equal to A comma B. Then mapping from A set A to set B. We have observed that 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. These four are ordered pairs. This collection of ordered pairs is called as a Cartesian product. Now relation. Relation is nothing but a subset of a collection of subset of a Cartesian product. Relation is nothing but a subset of a Cartesian product. If you take F is equal to 1A, 1B. Now observe that F is a subset of given Cartesian product A cross B. Then F is called as a relation. Here some example which is used in our daily basis. What is that? I will take rice cooker as a machine. I will do some inputs like water, rice and power. Then output comes boiled rice. Here we observe that we have to give some input that mission, then output comes. Now I will take f of x is equal to 1 by x plus 5 is a function. And I will put x value is equal to 0, 1 to the function. Then output 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7 comes. Here we observe that by the definition of the function, inputs are known as domain, outputs are known as codomain. And now I will share you another example, which is I will take mixie as a machine. I will put some paper to the mixie, then what happened? Wastage come. That means in the above function, if you take x is equal to minus 5, then what is the value of given function? F of x is equal to 1 by 0. That means infinity. Function does not exist, does not define. That means f of x, the given function f of x is equal to 1 by x plus 5 is defined from set A to B for all x not equal to minus 5. In the mathematical way, let A and B are two non-empty sets. If A belongs to A, there exists a unique if A belongs to B such that ordered pair A comma B is called as a function. That we show in the diagram. And types of functions. There are several types of functions are there. Some more important functions are discussed in this session. Now, first one is 1-1 function. 1-1 means distinct elements of A have distinct elements in B. That means f of A1 is equal to f of A2. That means A1 is equal to A2. This is the necessary and sufficient condition for a 1-1 function. 1-1 function is also known as injection function. Let me show in the diagram, for example, given that we observe in that above diagram. And second one is onto function. Onto function is also known as surjection. The if and only if condition is codomain of a given function is equal to range of a given function. If the given function f of x is onto, if small b belongs to b, there exists a small a belongs to a such that f of a is equal to b. We have observed in the given example in the diagram. Now bisection function. If the given function f of x is 1, 1 and on 2, then we simply say that given function is bisection. In the diagram we observe that set A, A1, A2, set B, B1, B2. A1 mapped to B1, A2 mapped to B2. Here the function is simply say that 1, 1 and on 2. The otherwise, then it is called as a bisection. This is the definition of a function, and several types of functions are there. 1, 1 and on 2 and bisection that we have discussed. And another type, several types of functions are there, which is one identity function, constant function, logarithmic function, even function, odd function. We have discussed these types of functions in next session. Thank you all for giving this opportunity. All the best, guys.